What's cooking good looking? Well, it's Trini style stewed lentils or peas. You might know it by musur ke dal or lentejas. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of lentils, 1 to 1.5 liters of water for boiling the lentils, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil for cooking, about 4 leaves of bandhania or cilantro or culantro, a half-inch thick piece of white onions, slivered, 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, a half of Scotch bonnet pepper or habanero pepper, salt to taste, and for this amount of lentils, 3 proper pinches of salt is just good enough, a half cup of ketchup, and 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Put up a pot with the water and bring to boil. Meanwhile, clean the lentils to ensure there are no debris or stones in there. Rinse thoroughly a few times and drain the lentils. Add to the boiling water and stir. Boil lentils until they are half cooked. You can test by mashing a few grains with your fingers. Turn off the flame. Next, clean and wash seasonings and add to a blender and blend finely. Your seasonings are the cilantro or bandhania, the garlic and pepper. Leave the onions for last. In a pot, heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. When the oil is hot, sprinkle in about 2 teaspoons of brown sugar and monitor until it transitions from caramelization to burning. Note this is how browning is also made. Add the ketchup and stir. Be careful of splatters because they do burn. Add in the boiled lentils in a little at a time until all is added. Stir and incorporate everything well. Add the blended seasonings, the slivered onions and salt and give it a stir. Some folks like to add slivered tomatoes or diced carrots. You can do so if you wish. You can even add sliced button mushrooms to the lentils, or even dumplings. Yes, you can add dumplings to the stewed lentils. Be creative. Today I'm not doing that because I'm serving it with noodles. Mash the lentils against the side of the pot to ensure it's all cooked, and what this does is also thicken up the gravy. It can be served on a bed of rice, or with noodles or roti, or if you choose, you can eat it by itself if you're watching your carb intake. Lentils have tremendous nutritional value, so check the description down below for more information. Remember to smash that like button. It lets me know that you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Also, feel free to drop a comment below. I love hearing from you guys. Sayonara!